Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for task 1 and 26 minutes for task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. This email gives feedback about a beginner cooking class. If you need more time to read the answer, feel free to pause the video now. The writer shares her opinion of the class, explains what she liked and didn't like, and suggests a new idea for future classes. You can see this in phrases like, "I really enjoyed the class," and "It would be great to have a class about cooking healthy meals." The email has a polite tone and is written in clear, short paragraphs. It starts with a greeting and one sentence that says why she is writing. The three main points are covered in two short body paragraphs. The email ends with a closing line and a simple sign-off. Some helpful linking words used here include overall, however, for example, and also. These help organize ideas and show contrast or addition. Two good stretch words in this answer are demonstrations and participants. They are a bit more advanced, but used in a clear way that beginners can learn from. If you are new to CELPIP writing, one useful tip is always include a clear topic sentence in your first paragraph. This helps the reader understand your purpose right away and makes your writing easier to follow. This response supports option A. Building a public park with green space and trails. If you need more time to read the full answer, please pause the video now. The writer clearly says they prefer a new park and gives two strong reasons. First, that green space helps people stay healthy, and second, that it improves the environment. One clear phrase is, trees and plants clean the air. The structure of this answer is strong. It starts with a sentence that names the choice. Then, it has two short paragraphs with reasons and examples. Finally, it ends with a simple conclusion. The tone is polite and semi-formal, which fits a city survey. This answer also uses helpful linking words such as firstly, also, while, and that is why. These help organize the ideas. Two good stretch words are environment and lifestyle. These are a little higher level, but still easy to understand from context. If you're new to writing for CELPIP, here's a good tip. Always use clear paragraph breaks for each reason. This makes your answer easier to follow and shows the reader your ideas are well organized. Even if your grammar is simple, good structure helps you get a better score. This response supports option B. Building a new indoor community center. If you want more time to read the full answer, please pause the video now. The writer gives two clear reasons for choosing the community center. First, it's useful all year, especially in winter. Second, it brings people together by offering different activities. One good phrase is, everyone has something to enjoy. The organization of the answer is clear and easy to follow. It starts with a sentence that names the choice. Then, there are two short paragraphs that explain the reasons, each with examples. The answer ends with a short conclusion. The tone is semi-formal and polite, which is right for a public survey. Linking words such as first of all, second, for example, and in conclusion make the writing clear and connected. Two good stretch words in this answer are workshops and connected. They add variety without being too difficult for beginners. Here's one helpful tip. Make sure each paragraph has one main idea. This helps the reader understand your message. Even if your vocabulary is simple, a clear structure shows strong communication skills.